What's up everyone, Jimmy Smart here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a deposit and how to withdraw your funds. First, you need to click on this wallet, the green button, okay? Choose the payment method, click on that, choose another. We have a lot of options, but I recommend you to use Tether USD TRC20 on the cryptocurrencies. Why here? Why here? Okay. Attention folks, look at all the available deposit options on Pocket Option and choose the best and easiest one for you and your country. And we have a promo code that Pocket Option released for us that call 50 start, okay? That you're gonna win 50% on your value, 150 that I choose, and we're gonna win $75, okay? Continue and pay. You are able to see the QR code and the text code to make your payment. Now let's select the wallet again to do your withdrawal. Choose a new deposit method and click on the icon, withdrawal. Remember everyone, whether for deposits or withdrawals, choose the best option for your country, okay? Now choose your amount that you want to withdraw and use your address for account and click on continue. Okay, it's very easy, guys. And is that for all?